I have a new squishy, so this is the Bubu, the cloud baby, the rainbow one. I just got it, and there's the wool in here in the donor of the cloud, and also here product of Momo Copy squishies, and there's the warning to here. So warning. The warning says, "Do not eat, not a toy. It's decoration purpose only." So it's a decorations, and guys, you see this. This is the corner of the unicorn castles. Yes, it was. And the color is rainbow, and I like it much. So now let's try to squish it. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, here is it. Here. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share guys. Thank you guys for watching my video.